Okay, so the next thing we want to do is create an exercise 5 folder, copy in all our training data, copy in all our input images outputted from the exercise 3 pre-processing work, and the same files we started exercise 4 with, our pixel-based classification, and now we're going to copy in script to do an object or segment-based clump-based classification. The first thing we would do is do a segmentation, but that's in another video. This is the script we'd run. Just to save a bit of time, I've already provided you the clumps file, which needs copying in to this directory we're working in from your datasets folder, and you can see it there. So we'll now look at the segment and the classification folder. So you can see we've got to specify which bands we want to populate into our segments. So it's the same data sets as we were using before. We need to specify our training data. We need to specify the colors we want the output classes are going to be. We're going to do a train our classifier. In this case, we're also trying to find the, some optimal parameters using a grid search on that classifier as well, and then we apply it to our segments. And then after that, we then extract the classification by using a function which I term as collapsing the attribute table to produce a classification file at the end, which would be the same sort of file that you get out of the end of your pixel-based classifier.